All right, so here's our problem. If angle 1 is 118, let me mark that up. So that's 118. Let's find all other angles. So let's see. Well, I know 3 is equal to it, right? Because 3 is a vertical angle, so we know 3 is also 118. So we know 1's 118. We know 3 is 118. Wait a minute. Angle 1 has a corresponding angle down here. Maybe it would help if I rotate it. Right, just kind of look at it like we were looking at the other ones. 1 and 5, those are corresponding angles. So we know 1 and 5 are also 118. Sorry for the wonky writing. Wait, if that's 118, well, then this is a vertical angle to it. That's also 118. Yeah, so those 4 angles are all 118. Now we just need to find the other one. So let's see. Well, if that's 118, what's 2 gonna have to be? Well, they have to add up to 180. So whatever 180 minus 118 is, that's gonna give us our leftover. I think 72, no, 62. So 62, I should be writing degrees on all these, but hey, if that's 62, then that's 62, then that's 62, then that's 62. Like they're all just, that's it. There, write my little degrees things on them. There, now it's proper. Ignore the fact that my writing's like sideways. So this is a majority of what we need to understand about when we take 2 parallel lines and cut them with a transversal. There's a lot of stuff that happens, but there's really only 2 things that happen. So depending on what information we have, it can be really easy or a little bit complicated. So let's see. I think there's really only one more thing. Okay. All right. So we've got a photo for our next one that I'm going to have to try to recreate. So start out and draw 2 parallel lines going this way. Then we're going to do 2 parallel lines going this way like this. So I'm going to draw a little arrow on this guy and this guy, showing that these 2 guys are parallel to each other. And then I'm going to use double arrow on this one to show that these 2 are parallel to each other. All right, and then we're going to label A, B, let's see, what are we going to do next? So I got to go across this way. Oh, so I didn't make that line quite long enough. Miserable failure. All right, I'm gonna stop here. I'm gonna come back with a picture in the future.